Hello everyone, everything good? Welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure to welcome you here. What is the zero crossing error? The zero crossing error in an air conditioner, especially in inverter models, indicates a problem in detecting the exact moment when the voltage in the electrical network changes polarity from positive to negative and vice versa. This precise detection is essential for the correct operation of the inverter compressor, which continually adjusts its speed to optimize energy consumption and thermal comfort. Why does this error occur? Noise in the electrical network. Voltage fluctuations, spikes, and interference in the network can make it difficult to accurately detect the zero crossing point. Sensor problems. The sensor responsible for detecting the zero crossing may be damaged or poorly adjusted. Electronic board failure. The electronic board, which processes the sensor signal, may have a defect that prevents the correct interpretation of the data. Electrical connections. Loose or oxidized connections can cause signal instability and generate the error. What are the symptoms of this error? Air conditioning does not turn on. In some cases, the equipment may not start to operate due to this error. Intermittent operation. The air conditioner may turn on and off repeatedly or experience sudden changes in temperature. Strange noises. The compressor may make unusual noises during operation. Error codes. The air conditioner panel may display a specific error code related to zero crossing. How to resolve this issue? The solution to the zero crossing error will depend on the root cause of the problem and may involve checking the electrical network. An electrician can check the quality of the electrical installation and correct any problems that may be causing interference, replacing the sensor. If the sensor is damaged, it must be replaced with an original part. Repairing the electronic board. In some cases, the electronic board may need to be repaired or replaced. Checking the electrical connections. All electrical connections must be inspected and tightened properly. It is important to note that solving this type of problem requires technical knowledge and specialized equipment. Therefore, it is recommended that the repair be carried out by a qualified air conditioning technician. Preventing the zero crossing error. Preventive maintenance. Performing preventive maintenance on your air conditioner regularly helps identify and correct problems before they become worse. Voltage stabilizer. In regions with unstable electrical grids, using a stabilizer can help protect the equipment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.